Wait, we're together 19 years this week.
Holy. We're together 19 years this week?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I only clocked in for 20.
Philip and I are 19 years together this week.
Wow.
We knew each other as kids, but then we met again when we were just turning 19, where we were inseparable after that. And we moved in together right away, and we've been together ever since, which is pretty fun. And 2 kids and 3 dogs and lots of adventures. It is our anniversary week of 19 years this week. Apparently, Philip only clocked in for 20. So if I'm a single person on the channel next year, you'll know why.
In Cape Breton, in your forest,
In
all
my
by
forest,
yourself.
all by myself.
Stay tuned. What will Elysia do next?
One woman build coming up.
Aw,
next
yeah,
year.
well, it might be a one-woman build anyways.
Oh, you two family. Well, I'm in this for 100 more years, so I'm literally crying. You're killing me.
You might kill me, eh?
Oh, next DIY.
Yeah. Hi, YouTube family.
My name is Elysia English.
And I'm Philip English.
Welcome back to our channel. We are in the camper.
19 years.
19 years it's been since we started the camper.
19 years, peeling wallpaper, painting,
DIYs.
It's been a beautiful 19 years.
It has been.
I couldn't have asked for a better 19 years. You've definitely made my life a million times better. So I thank you for that.
It's amazing.
I love you.
I love you too. Thank you. We're pretty excited and we're proud that we've been together for 19 years.
Yes.
And every day is better and better. You guys comment all the time on the channel how everyone needs a Philip that looks at them like Philip looks at me.
Thanks,
and
YouTube family.
Philip has looked at me like that since the night we met 19 years ago, and he does it every day, and we love each other very much. We're best friends. We do everything together. There's a few suggestions that I should build a tiny home here and send Philip to clear out the forest, but we definitely don't ever want to be apart, so we'll be doing all of that adventure together. We just like to be together all the time and don't really argue, and everything is just pretty easy when we work on things together. And yeah, we have a very good life together, and we've really accomplished everything together in our lives that we both dreamt that we would be able to do in our life, which is pretty exciting.
And to be perfectly honest, I don't think Elysia would want me to go to the property and do the tree cutting, and
He's not seeing this property before me.
no, and a lot of the fun for us, all that hard work does not work for us.
No.
It's all so fun. We're very adventurous. Just the idea of having to go there and cut our own way in.
That's super fun to us.
Pioneer the land for the first time, and we know it hasn't been touched for 40 years. We assume there'll be quad trails on our property and hunters maybe hunting on our property, which we know. Really, we're gonna be the first people there in 40 years at least. That's super exciting for us because we don't know what we're gonna find there. We know history of the area, which is super cool.
Yeah,
We'll
be sharing some things as we go. We just, until the property closes, we don't want to talk too much about the things that we know or exactly where the location is or anything like that. Our property actually closes in March. We have a few months, which is killing us because we want to be there like today or yesterday. January. Philip's so set on being there in January. We can't go there until the end of March. So we have lots of preparing to do. It was also suggested to us that we go there. I still have tears in my eyes from you making me laugh. Find a man that makes you laugh. Philip always makes me laugh. Another suggestion was that we would go there for maybe a week or 2 or even a month without the kids and get our way in and kind of get situated before we actually bring the dogs and the kids and everything up with us. But that is not something that kids will want us to do.
No.
And it is 100% part of this adventure that we go with our boys at ages 9 and 11 to go make our way through the forest that we all bought together as a family. And this is land that will be left for the boys when Philip and I are no longer here. So this is something that's like family property that will be heirloom property to give to the kids.
Right.
Dayton's already planning a duck farm and Chase is already thinking about all the paths he's gonna make and all these things he's gonna build with his papa, and it's gonna be pretty exciting. Not something we're gonna go do without the boys. But we know that it hasn't been touched in 40 years. We know that there's birch trees there, which is amazing because you know that the boys love birch trees. So that was just an added bonus. We found out that the land is full of birch.
Yes.
About 22 hours away from where we live now. We are only about 1 kilometer away from the
ocean.
Yeah, from the Atlantic Ocean, right?
Yes. Yeah.
You want to say that or no?
Well, we're about 1 kilometer away from the Atlantic Ocean, but on our property is a pond that is part of the Atlantic Ocean.
So the water kind of comes in and out, which is super cool because it'll be a saltwater pond, which is really neat and adventurous. And there's a bunch of really neat special species of ducks that are actually always on this pond that Dayton's pretty excited about.
Yes.
That he's never seen in real life. So we're pretty excited about just the nature that's going to be there. We're going to be looking at doing a build there this year, basically making our camp, making our way in, finding where the entrance is of our property because there's not an actual drive or anything. It's going to be pretty incredible. And we're bringing Phil's parents along with us. Those of you who are asking, Phil's mom and dad, I'm hoping will be there with us from like the first view of the property because we wouldn't want to do that without them. Part of being with this guy for 19 years is that I was blessed with Phil's mom and dad, who are a huge part of our life and are our best friends. We would not want to be doing any of this without them, nor with the kids. So
I want my mom and dad there, and my mom will be going and foraging through the forest as soon as we get there, I'm sure. And she makes absolutely incredible things off of natural elements from the earth, from cordage to baskets to anything. So
it's gonna be amazing, and I've already convinced her, because I know you guys want to see her on the channel more, but we've already convinced her that she's going to show us how to make some of her pine needle baskets and some of her really neat willow creations and just things that are off the land, because I know that you guys really want to see what she does and you don't always get the opportunity to. They don't live in the same town as us, so it's not something we can, we don't see them every single day, and we don't have as many elements here to be able to use, but Mom is always finding things, and this is going to be an amazing opportunity for us to show you guys what Mom can do, which is super fun. And she just does this so easily, and she's so good at it, and I look at it like a foreign language. This is not stuff that I can show you, but it's going to be Mom's specialty for sure.
Super talented.
And Dad is very knowledgeable about everything. And they've done lots of traveling with Dad before. They went to Alaska.
Yep, my dad's taken me and my brother to Alaska tenting. We tented all the way from Ontario all the way out to Alaska. We tented the whole way.
And how old were you when you did that?
I would have been 9, I think.
Yeah, about
9
the age
years
of our
old.
boys, right?
Yeah, about the age of our boys. And he showed us. I've camped with my parents since I was a child. We would go every summer and go do some big camping excursion and portaging with my dad and trailblazing and setting up camp in different locations. And so it's something very familiar that going to this property won't be too out of the norm for us, but definitely need my dad there for some things that I don't know yet, and so it'll be super fun.
There'll be a lot of neat things that he'll be able to teach the boys. Dayton is dying to learn how to use an axe, and Chase is requesting a pocket knife, and
I think that can happen. I think they're both responsible people. I don't know about an axe for Day yet because I don't want to lose any fingers. I'm not worried about him.
Yeah, the boys are looking to fill a little backpack and have some survival gear and always have it with them, which is super cute. We actually ordered them some really cute bags that they can wear on the property that they're going to get as part of their Christmas stocking thing, and we're going to be taking them shopping after Christmas to get some of the things that they're going to need for in it, like a little flashlight and a compass and a pocket knife and just a little map and a fun, just fun little 9 and 11-year-old boy things to put in their backpacks, water bottles, slingshots. Yes, and there's a lot of really fun DIY stuff. We want to build off of land with them, and they want to build a fort, and they're going to do a whole bunch of stuff. So stay tuned for DIYs that the boys are going to build on property. They're going to be pretty epic from what I can tell. They've been planning. But yeah, we're super excited about the property. We're really wanting to get the camper finished as soon as possible. So with that being said, let's get started because we're not going unless this camper's done. For sure. Let's do it. Let's do it. We got some work to do. I'm freezing in the camper. Don't know when I'll get warm again. It's so cold. You guys have had so many questions for us over the past couple of days, so we thought it was pretty important to answer a bunch of questions that you guys had. So we just wanted to kind of iron out a few things that so many of you guys are asking. We love that you guys are so interested in the new property, and we really want to tell you everything that we find out as we go over the next couple of months. When we find out more things, we will fill you guys in. Just videos like this, just popping in to let you guys know what is going on, or if we find out anything that's new, or if anything else is planned along the way. But you guys are going to see all of it, so don't worry. So many questions like, are you going to take us on the drive of 22 hours? 100%. Absolutely. Are you going to show us like your first glimpse of the property? Yes. 100%. You guys are going to see it when we see it. And which is why we've been doing these daily videos. If we blow a tire on the way up, you're going to see it. Oh. You're gonna see the good, the bad, and the ugly because we are going to be seeing this property completely unseen. We have bought and paid for a property that we have never seen.
No.
Which is
super fun.
Pretty adventurous. So we need your support over the next couple of months. Keep watching. Hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit the like button on the videos. Leave us comments, questions.
Leave us a comment.
Absolutely
19
anything.
years.
19 years.
Elysia hasn't offed me. So that deserves a comment and a like. She loves me more, I think, than the day we met.
For sure, 100%.
Just a little bit more.
I don't even follow that.
Yeah, you don't.
Show us some support. 19 years. We have the best life together, and we're so excited that we get to share it with you guys. And you guys comment all the time about just Philip and I's relationship, and you even email us questions, and we just always put each other first and always put our family as #1 priority, and the rest just kind of falls into place. So
to another 19 years with our YouTube family.
Yay! We love you guys. We will see you later on today.
Yes.
Because we're actually doing some work in the camper
today. We've been working as we've been filming, but we thought we might as well fill you guys in, especially on our 19-year anniversary. So we're going to get to work. Stay tuned today for another episode.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.